Jewish beliefs. History. Originated in the Middle East over 3,500 years ago. Founded by Moses, but Jews trace it back to Abraham. One of the three Abrahamic religions. 6 million Jews were killed in the Holocaust. At a glance. Monotheistic, belief in one God. Jews believe they have a covenant with God. Their sacred book is called the Torah. Their religious leaders are called rabbis. Their place of worship is called a synagogue. Holy days include Shabbat, Rosh Hashanah, and Yom Kippur. Their symbol is the Star of David. Jewish life. Jewish people believe they are God's chosen people to set an example of holiness and ethical behavior to the world. Their life is a life of community and family. There are activities that surround community and family. Jewish people also have a global connection to Jews around the world. Some Jewish traditions and holidays. Circumcision. Baby boys undergo this procedure at 8 days old. The Sabbath meal. The family gathers to welcome in the special day. Hanukkah, a Jewish festival commemorating the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. Passover, a major Jewish holiday that occurs in the spring on the 15th day of the Hebrew month of Nisan. Bar mitzvah, celebration for boys on their 13th birthday. Bat mitzvah, celebration for girls on their 12th birthday. There are many traditions for weddings and funerals. Vocabulary. Abrahamic, a religion that reveres figure of Abraham as the founder of the faith. The three Abrahamic religions are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Covenant, an agreement or contract. Holiness, a state of being holy or fully devoted to God. Ethical, following moral principles.